Alright, guys, like, the reason this is so lucrative is you can do this as many times as you want in a day with virtually no risk. You can't lose money doing this. Like, you see all these influencers and these quants, so called in the trenches, trading on pump fund, blah, 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 bullshit, bullshit. They're influencers. They are using the numbers they have to abuse you on the chart. Have you ever followed an influencer and copy traded them and not even 30 seconds after you buy it is immediately dumped? That's not just happening for no reason. These people know what they're doing, but this shit is gatekept. So I'm going to go ahead and just give it to you guys. The website I'm using is in the description of my channel. Alright, so once you're on the site, it's super simple. Just connect your wallet, type in the name, symbol, description. I'm just going to be doing demo for this. Keep the supply in decimals at the preset if you want the most profit. Super simple, just add any other socials or logo you want. But this is the most important part. If you do not want your coin to be sniped or bought by bots or anything like that, you must revoke all authorities. In the long run, this is going to give you the most profit. So click create coin and boom. Open this in a new tab. Click add liquidity. Select your token. It's best to hold 90%. If you do 100%, no one can buy your coin. And then this is the custom amount that you want. So for this, I'll just do 0.5. Add liquidity. Now just head to your chart. It could take 5 to 15 minutes for the blockchain to process the transaction, so be patient and wait. It's super simple, guys. When you're ready to sell, all you do is come to the manage liquidity, click sell. It's a custom slider, sell, and boom, goes straight to your Phantom wallet.